Welcome to a groundbreaking innovation that will change the way you think of 5G technology. Introducing 5G VoLTE smartphone training system, the cutting-edge solution designed for education sector. Hi, this is Dr. C.D. Singh from Scientech Technologies Private Limited, India. Be with me on this extraordinary journey as I'm going to introduce our game-changing product to the world. Scientech 2140 is a distinct demonstration-based training solution. It offers hands-on lab experience of working and functioning of 5G Dual SIM VoLTE smartphone. It focuses on in-depth knowledge and understanding the fundamentals of evolving 5G technology. This training solution comprises of RF spectrum analyzer module that help us to study the RF signal on a PC. Together, the training platform and software provide a complete learning solution that accelerates 5G handset training and the learning. It covers the complete circuit signal flow. It's enriched product tutorial containing useful technical information which will help user in understanding of 5G Dual SIM VoLTE smartphone. Scientech 2140 comprises of features like it is a superior platform for study of 5G smartphone and understanding 5G technology. Secondly, it's supporting band like 5G sub 6 FDD, 5G sub 6 TDD network along with 4G LTE FDD, 4G LTE TDD, 3G WCDMA, 2G GSM. It has 6.6 inch touchscreen TFT LCD HD display. You will find onboard display on various parts of smartphone for easy identification at a glance. You will be able to understand the working and signals flow of various sections of a smartphone. We have provided soldering-free fault creation and troubleshooting. Also having USB interface for spectrum analyzer and many more. Do you want to know more about Scientech 2140 5G VoLTE smartphone training system? If yes, please find a technical data sheet provided in a description or you can visit our website www.scientechworld.com. Should you have any questions, please feel free to write us on csing@scient.bz. Thank you and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.